Okay, so we're making bagels and here's the dough. Now the dough's already been mixed up, it's just been done the same way as you normally do any bread dough. So it's proved for about an hour, so it's doubled in size. So the first step I'm going to show is cutting up the rolls. Rolls? Do you call bagels rolls or do you call them, anyway, whatever you call bagels. So this is 1.5 kilos of dough. So it's going to make about 15. So I've got one half a bit smaller than the other. And just come in here. So what I'm looking for is about 100 grams per dough ball. So that should be 200, yep. So now I'm going to get that exactly in half. So that's 104, which will make that a bit less than. So I'll need a little bit more dough on that one. Quite 100. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we're done. Okay, so now to shape the dough, what I do is, just come over close in. So what I do is come in and we're just going to turn it over like this to make a round, lovely stretch the area. And then what we do is we put that on the bench in a clawed hand, just roll that around like that. Now see how that's starting to join together? A bit of pressure on top and getting a nice rolled loaf. Okay, so we're just going to do that with all of them. Okay, so one last one. We're going to just put it in. Again, you'll notice there's not too much flour over the area I'm using to roll these either, because it doesn't actually need it. You want some tension on the bench to pull the dough together. So there we go. So 14 dough balls. Now what I've got is I've got a damp cloth that's just been, it's muslin, and then we're just going to rest these for 10 minutes under a damp cloth so they don't dry out for 10 minutes. Then we'll come back and shape them. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and now what we're going to do is we're going to shape these. So these here. Now there's two ways you can shape a bagel. You can roll it flat into a sausage and join the edges together, which I don't like. Or what you can do is you can pinch it in the middle like this until you get all the way through, and then you stretch coming around and make the center really, really thin indentation. So you can see there, I'm stretching it and stretching it and stretching it until, probably see that, that's see-through now, is it?
I can't, but yeah, that's see-through.
That's see-through, and so then you know the gluten's well, that's like the window test, but now we keep going until it rips, like that. And now what I can do is I can get my fingers in, like that, and make it into a bagel shape. Now you do need to keep stretching to get a decent size hole in it, because otherwise you end up with bagels that don't, the hole collapses on itself. It not collapses, it expands on itself as it rises. So you need to get a decent size under there, like that. So now we'll do all of them like that. Okay, and the last one, coming nice and close, and so again, just stretching it till it rips, like that. And I'll do one of those, and I stretch it with my hands, just around really carefully. And a bit of flour so it doesn't stick to the bench, not quite enough, stretch it a bit more. There we go, beautiful. And now they get recovered with our damp cloth for another 10 minutes. And then we start poaching. here we go. Okay, so it's time to poach these things. So you poach them in a sugar water. This is 60 grams of sugar. So you just got to get that in and it'll boil again really quickly. But we just want to dissolve that. So that helps give it a real gloss to the outside along with the glaze that we're going to do. Okay, so that's just about to start boiling. So over here we've got our bagels. So I'm only going to cover the ones that I need to get. And we carefully bring them over. Is that just boiling? Yep. And so what we do is we very carefully I'm going to do 3. Sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 3. Love this pan for poaching. It's just got the perfect geometry for the way the water circulates, as you can see. And it's 20 seconds per side. And normally I try and keep track of the first one I put in. It's going to be a luck of the draw, I think, because I didn't really pay attention. Can't really tell. I think maybe it's that one. And now we're rotating them over. So let's rotate them all. Depending on how cast iron your fingers are, you may not want to use your fingers to doing the flipping like that. I'm pretty good with my hands in boiling stuff. Well, not in boiling stuff, just making sure that I know what I'm doing as far as touching the smallest amount possible. So it's a gentle poach. You're really only cooking the outside and then getting things nice and warm. And again, I've lost track of what I was doing. So it was that one. So you want to drain them off. Now, on the tray, these trays are fantastic, but I use paper for bagels because wet dough is designed to stick, quite simply. Baking paper is amazing. It means that you're not going to get a sticky mess on your tray. So baking paper, really good for this stuff, because otherwise you're going to really stick them properly. Now that's one batch, and then we'll keep doing the rest. Okay, so this is the last 2 for this tray. You'll probably see I've changed the arrangement on the tray so I can fit the 7 on one tray. I've mucked that up to start with. Now, something I do, you'll notice that this is the bad side. This is the side that was resting on the bench. So what I do is after it's been on for a few seconds, I then flip them over so that the nice rounder side that proved nicely is up there. So can I get a nice close up of the tray? And we'll have a look at after this. Okay, so what we've got is egg white here, just 1 egg, and we're going to use this to glaze these so we can stick on the seeds. So it's just the tiniest amount all over the top, just like this. And I like these wide brushes for that. Just it's easy to get around the whole bagel in one shot without getting too much mess. Another reason for the paper doing this sort of cooking, not only is the dough sticky as when it comes out of the poaching liquid, so it'd stick like nothing else. Also with glazing like this, with the egg wash, I guess it's called an egg white wash, yeah, who knows, you get drops around as well, so you don't want to make too much mess. Okay, and now these are obviously poppy seeds, so we'll do some with poppy seeds.
Poppy seeds for Anzac Day.
Awesome, Sid. So we'll do half with poppy seeds. And then we'll do half with sesame seeds. Okay, so these are all done, and now straight into the oven. Now the oven's at 220 degrees Celsius. We'll put it in for 15, 16 minutes, and we'll rotate them 10 minutes in. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes, and then I rotated them, and then it's been another 6 minutes, so 16 minutes total. So here are our bagels. Oh, they smell so good. And you'll see they out. They get a beautiful crispy base to them. I can't touch that, it's too hot. Look at that. There we go. And we're going to let those cool down. And then we'll have them lukewarm with beautiful salads and ham and stuff. Okay, so that's what it looks like inside. So fluffy. And we're going to quickly make it up as a terrible lunch bagel. What a pity, hey? Oh, look how soft it is. Put some, and we'll do mustard. Some fresh leg ham. And Charlesburg is beautifully